there. So you want to get better at starting those fun, flirty conversations, right? You and me both, friend. It can feel like diffusing a tiny, awkward bomb sometimes. I remember this one time at a friend's party, I saw someone I really wanted to talk to. My brain went completely blank, like static on the TV blank. I think I ended up saying something profound like, "Hi." Smooth. I know, we definitely didn't magically fall in love over that opener. But that's why we're here. Having a few go-to starters in your back pocket can make all the difference. It's about connection, not cheesy lines. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's turn you into a conversation-starting superstar, or at least someone who doesn't just say hi. All right, starter number 1, the situational observation. This is gold, pure gold. You simply comment on something happening around you both. Like, "Wow, this music is amazing, isn't it?" Or, "This line for coffee is epic." Are you also in desperate need of caffeine? It's low pressure. I once used this at a chaotic farmer's market. "Have you ever seen a zucchini that big?" We laughed, and it broke the ice instantly. Number 2, the shared annoyance or delight. Misery loves company, but so does joy. Find a small common ground. "Ugh, is this train ever going to move?" Or, "Yes, they finally have the oat milk." It creates an instant, we're in this together vibe. Third, the genuine compliment, but not about looks. Focus on something they chose, their cool band t-shirt, unique bag, or even their book choice. "That's an awesome umbrella. Where did you find it?" Or, "Oh, you're reading GOT? I love that. I've been meaning to read it." It shows you notice details. Starter number 4, the playful question about a minor choice. This is fun and light. Think small stakes, big smiles. For example, if they're picking a pastry, tough decision. Are you a sweet or savory morning person? Or at a bar, important question, cocktail or beer tonight? It's engaging and gives them an easy way to share a little about themselves. Plus, you might learn their coffee order for next time. Just saying. Okay, number 5. Ask for a tiny, quick favor. This taps into the Ben Franklin effect. People like you more after they've done you a small favor. "Excuse me, do you have a pen I can borrow?" Or, "Could you watch my bag for literally 1 second while I grab a napkin?" Make sure it's genuinely small and easy. The goal isn't to inconvenience them, it's to create a micro interaction that you can build on with a thank you. Phew, that's 5 down. Feeling a bit more confident? Good! We've got 5 more fantastic starters coming right up. If this has been useful, please consider subscribing now. Okay, continuing, let's jump into starter number 6, the hypothetical scenario. These are super fun and can reveal a lot about someone's personality. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? Or if you won a small lottery, say $1,000, what's the first fun thing you'd buy? My go-to used to be, if you were a sandwich, what kind would you be? A bit silly, but it always got a laugh and some creative answers. Number 7, ask about their passion gently. People light up when they talk about what they love. The key is to be genuinely curious. If you notice they're sketching, "Wow, that looks cool. Do you draw often?" Or if they mention a hobby, "That sounds fascinating. How did you get into that?" Starter number 8, the playful challenge or tiny dare. This is for when you've got a bit of rapport. Keep it super light and silly. "I bet you can't guess my favorite weird ice cream flavor." Or if you're at a place with board games, dare you to a game of Connect 4, loser buys the next round of water. Number 9, the opinion on something trivial but fun. This is great for sparking light debate and laughter. Keep it low stakes. Okay, settle a debate for me. Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? Or, what's the most overrated movie everyone seems to love? I once asked someone if they thought dogs or cats were secretly plotting world domination. We ended up creating a whole conspiracy theory. It was hilarious. And finally, number 10, the callback/continue a previous thread. If you've spoken before or overheard something interesting they said, refer back to it. "Hey, you mentioned you were looking for a good sci-fi book earlier. Did you find one?" Or, "So, did you ever decide on that sweet or savory pastry?" This shows you listen and pay attention, which is incredibly attractive. Seriously, people love feeling heard. It's a superpower in itself. And that's our top 10. Remember, the best starter is one that feels natural to you. Mix, match, and make them your own. So there you have it. 10 ways to kickstart a great conversation. The scariest part is just saying that first sentence, I promise. Remember that awful high I told you about? Well, later that night, I tried again with someone else using a situational comment about the terrible DJ. We ended up kicking it together and discovered a shared love for 90s hip-hop. It wasn't magic, it was just connecting. The key is to be yourself, be observant, and genuinely listen. Oh, and a sense of humor never hurts. Don't be afraid to be a little goofy. So go out there, try a few of these, and see what happens. You might just surprise yourself. Good luck, and have fun with it. Catch you later.